ClickFunnels versus Shopify. Which is better for selling digital products? Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Now, if you are someone that is planning to sell digital products like online courses, ebooks, templates, coaching programs, or memberships, you've probably asked yourself this exact question. Is Shopify the right choice for me, or should I be opting for ClickFunnels or any other tool? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the pros and cons of both of these platforms. We're going to compare features, pricing, ease of use, funnels, and conversions. By the end of this video, you will actually know which one you should be using. So, before we actually compare individual features, we need to understand the basic difference, the big picture. So they have a major difference. ClickFunnels is built for selling, specifically high converting sales funnels, digital product offers, and upsells. So Shopify, although this is built for selling, it is specifically built to create online stores for physical products. Think about product, inventory, shipping, product catalogs. Those are the things that Shopify specializes in. So how can I sell a digital product on Shopify and ClickFunnels? Well, if you want to sell a digital product on ClickFunnels, once you sign up, you're going to open up your account. Once you have logged onto your account, you're going to click on products on the left, then click on all products. You guys can see currently I have not created any product. So I'm just going to go into my product section. And you guys will see that it is a very simple system to create a funnel, to create a product, even if this is a digital product that I'm trying to create on ClickFunnels. So whether that is going to be a course or any type of product, I will just click on create product. And then on the pop-up, I have the option to either select a physical or a digital product. Then I will be creating my name. Let's say this is going to be my Canva template bundle, Canva journal template. And then I can add a description. Then I'm just going to click on create product. I can choose the pricing type, whether that is a one-time pricing, a subscription, or a payment plan. So if you're creating courses or if you're selling sessions, online sessions, coaching sessions, then you can create a payment plan or a subscription plan. But for me, this is going to be a one-time payment product as well, because this is just a template. Let's say it's $11. And then I'm going to set this price and then move on into the next step. So we're just going to be moving forward. And then I can obviously add my product, whatever digital file that I have that I will be delivering to my customers once they purchase the product. So setting up a digital product is very simple. It's integrated within ClickFunnels. You don't need a third-party application to be able to sell a digital product on ClickFunnels. This is something that it inherently does do. Although ClickFunnels was initially built to build amazing funnels, it now has all the capabilities that you would need from a all-in-one tool. Now, I'm going to compare this to Shopify. Shopify, again, the interface is very intuitive to use. To sell a digital product, however, if you try to sell a digital product directly, for example, you click on add product and you try to add a digital product, you are not going to be able to do so. The reason for this is because Shopify is built for actual products. So what you're going to do if you're trying to sell a digital product using Shopify is that you're going to go into settings, then you're going to go into apps and sales channels. Then you're going to click on the Shopify App Store on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to simply click and search for digital downloads. Now, there are several different applications that are available that help you in selling digital products on Shopify. The one that I like to use is either LDT Digital Downloads or Digital Downloads by Shopify itself. Now, Digital Downloads by Shopify is not very optimized, but if you're selling some basic digital products, then it works fine. So if you're selling a PDF or JPEG or a zip file, then this is going to be adequate. But if you want more complex features, then you should opt for some of the other digital product applications out there. So I'm just going to click on install, and keep in mind that the digital downloads directly by Shopify does not have a lot of complex pricing. You would have to add that on Shopify manually. So I'm just going to click on install over here and install this application onto my Shopify store. Once I download this onto my Shopify store within a couple of seconds, I'm going to move forward. And you guys can see on the left, we have the application, and I'm just going to pin this application. And once I do that, all I need to do now is I'm going to create the file for my digital product. So whatever product I'm selling, I'm going to go into product and add it as a regular product first. So I'm going to click on add product. This is going to be my Canva templates. Canva journal templates. And then I'm going to just set a price and then save it. Once I have added my product, I'm going to go into digital downloads on the left. Then I'm going to click on add digital files, and then I would add the digital files that are going to be sold as this product. So this file would then have a fulfillment system that whenever the payment is received on Shopify, this file is emailed to the particular client. Keep in mind that they have a file limit of 5 gigabytes, which is pretty low. However, if I compare this to Clickfunnels, you guys can see over here, we can add images, pricing, and then SKU. Then we have our digital asset access over here specifically, and we have 3 types of digital asset access that we can add. This can either be a course access. So if you're selling a course and someone purchases a course, instantly they would have access to that particular course. Then you have community access. If you have set up your community directly on Clickfunnels, they can access that. And a direct asset like our PDF or Word document, whatever kind of document this might be. So if you take a look at the digital assets over here, you guys can see you even have an AI assistant that can help you with any queries you have regarding digital assets specifically. So in this, I do prefer to use digital products, especially if they're courses or they're seminars that I'm selling, then it's going to be a direct choice for me to use Clickfunnels. However, for PDFs and files under 5 gigabytes, Shopify can sometimes be a good tool as well because it fulfills your basic needs. And if you are already selling online, then you might just want to conveniently just add, your template files over there and sell them. So Shopify can sell digital products, but it's not optimized for selling them. Whereas Clickfunnels is a tool that is a out-of-the-box tool with the ability to create digital products, create affiliates, create courses, create coaching directly built into it. So it's a bit more complex and it has all types of features that are going to suffice all your needs. Now, what about pricing? Because realistically, pricing is going to be where a lot of people are making their major decisions. Well, when it comes to pricing, you're going to have to purchase a digital product application in Shopify because for most people, they would want to upgrade from digital downloads onto a more premium product that enables them to sell larger files. So you would be paying the basic plan for Shopify, then you would be paying for a subscription for the application. Whereas on Clickfunnels, you would only be paying what you're paying for Clickfunnels. So your one platform fee is it. And you can opt for the scale plan, you can opt for optimize, you can opt for the dominate plan. And this one fee enables you to access so many different features and you're able to use so many different things. Not only are you able to create a digital product, but you can build communities around it and sell courses and so much more. So if you want to only sell a small digital file, then you can choose Shopify. But if you want to sell ebooks, coaching, memberships, courses, and have higher conversions, then I would suggest Clickfunnels. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comments down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.